Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to withdraw money from Tonkeeper. So in order to make the withdrawal process from Tonkeeper, you first need to have any other exchanges in which we are going to first transfer our money, which can be USDT, which can be the Ton coin, and from there we can transfer that money into our bank account. So for this video I have selected BitGet. So you can select any other exchanges like Binance, OKX, KuCoin, MEXC, etc., whichever is preferable to you. So first we are going to move our USDT from the Tonkeeper wallet to the exchange that you have selected, which in my case is BitGet, and after that we will sell it into USDT and get it in our bank account. So first you just have to come to Tonkeeper wallet and then tap on send on the top. After that it will ask you to provide the deposit address. So in order to get this address, you need to launch your BitGet app and then log in into your account. Then tap on the assets tab in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Now tap on add funds and select the deposit crypto option. Here use the search bar in the top and search for the Ton wallet. After that it will show you the network, that would be the Ton network, and then the QR code as well as the deposit address. So you need to just copy the address from here, then come back to Tonkeeper, paste the address in this section. After that you just have to provide the memo that you will be given in BitGet. After filling these details, press continue in the bottom. On the next page, enter the amount of USDT that you want to withdraw, and then you just have to review your transaction and tap on the withdraw button in order to conclude it. Now once this tap is done, you will be able to get your USDT in your BitGet account. Now once you have it, you just have to tap on the assets tab in the bottom right hand corner again, and now tap on the spot option in the top. Over here select the transfer option, and here you just have to tap on this arrow button and convert your USDT from your spot wallet to your funding wallet. So after selecting it, you just have to tap on the funding account, and here you can get your money into the funding wallet of yours. Now tap on funding in the top right hand corner of the screen, and here you will be able to see the P2P option. If you are not able to see P2P over here, then come back to home page and tap on more. Over here you just have to tap on the P2P option, and then you will be landed on the BitGet's P2P page. Here you need to select your currency in the top, and then you need to tap on sell. After that you just have to sell your USDT to the merchant that is given over here, and this way you will get your money into your bank account. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.